What's up guys, it's me Geek. Here is the amazing Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium. Yes, you heard me right, the Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium, but I wanna do the OTG test. So let me take out my flash drive. Which one? Yeah, this one is my flash drive, as you can see. Let me take out, and then where is the OTG adapter? Okay, here we go. Here is the OTG adapter. So I'm gonna connect my flash drive. Here we go, and I'm gonna connect the flash drive. Okay, like this. Okay, here we go. As you can see, okay, now you can see the OTG is working. Literally, yes, the OTG is working. As you can see, it's trying to load the flash drive. Okay, let me connect again. Okay, yeah, yes, you can see it's working. The OTG is working. So let me show you from the back. Here it is, as you can see by yourself. I am very much happy. So yeah, it was me, Gmail. Subscribe and bye.